Good morning, Jim. You have an attorney in your waiting room.
Okay, good morning. Yep, my breakout rooms just popped up. Okay,
Okay,
great. Thank you.
you're welcome.
Hey, Michelle.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he's just gonna do a double parking 300
Okay,
on
we have to wait for the judge.
we do. Okay,
Should
that's
be
what.
out in just a minute.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna go back in. I think I have some other
Okay,
people.
thanks.
Thanks, James.
Yep.
Good morning. Are we ready with Mr. Spielman?
Good morning, Your Honor. We are ready on Spielman.
Thank you. This is 24WM01530 A and B. These are Wayne County Airport versus Benny Spielman. May I have your appearances, please?
Sure, Your Honor. Good morning to you. May it please the court, Lowell Friedman, P5625, on behalf of Benny Spielman. Benny, I see you there. You just need to turn on your video so we can see you.
Okay.
There you go. And put your name on the
State your
record,
name for me,
Benny.
sir.
Benny Spielman.
Thank you. How are we proceeding this morning?
Judge, I've met with the prosecuting attorney. We've worked out a resolution. All charges will be dismissed in exchange for the added civil infraction of double parking, where my client will pay a $300 fine.
Thank you. Mr. Spielman, you had the opportunity to discuss this case with your attorney.
Yes.
You understand the charges you face and the possible penalties.
Yes, ma'am.
And after having that conversation, sir, is it your understanding and agreement that you will be pleading responsible to the added count of double parking and that the original citations would be dismissed?
Yes.
The court accepts your plea of responsible to the added count of double parking, will dismiss the original charges. Court will assess a fine of $300. Mr. Friedman, does your client need more than 5 days to pay this amount?
Benny, do you want him to pay in person or can he pay by credit card?
You can pay by credit card online.
Okay, Benny, can you pay it by Friday, $300?
Sure, I'll do it today.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Mr. Mena, was there anything you wanted to ask, sir?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Spielman, $300 within 5 days. You have a great day. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Spielman, you can go on our website and there should be a spot that you click on that will say to pay.
Okay, what's the website, ma'am?
The 34th District Court.
All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Benny, I can
Thank
send
you, Michelle.
Thank you, everybody. Have a good morning.
You as well.
You too. Mr. Australia, turn your video on, please. 24WM01459OT, Wayne County Airport versus Australia. Take your cap off and state your name for me, sir.
My name is Joel Estrella.
Thank you, sir. The way court staff have you labeled indicate that you're waiving your right to have the assistance of the court-appointed attorney. Is that correct?
Yes,
Have you had the opportunity to speak to Mr. Mena, the prosecutor for the airport?
yes, I have.
Mr. Mena, how are we proceeding?
Your Honor, I had an opportunity to speak with Mr. Estrella. We're going to dismiss the expired license. He's going to plead responsible to double parking and pay a $300 fine.
Mr. Australia, was that your understanding and agreement that you'd be pleading responsible to the added count of double parking and the expired license misdemeanor would be dismissed?
Yes, that is correct.
The court accepts your plea of responsible to the added count of double parking, will dismiss the original charge. Sir, do you need more than 5 days to pay the $300?
More than 5 days, no. On Friday, is that passing the limit or is that okay?
No, that's fine.
Okay, on Friday, yes.
And sir, you can come in person and pay, or you can pay online.
Either or online would be the easiest and quickest.
Okay, it's mi34thdistrictcourt.com. Just log on to the website. You'll be able to click in your ticket number or your driver's license number and it'll pull up the citation.
Okay, understood.
Anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Thank
Have a good day, sir.
you as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
Judge, do you know who the interpreter is for?
I'm sorry?
Do you know who the interpreter that's coming in is for?
Yes, it is for Ahmed Cheek
Gotcha.
at
Okay.
Cheek at 8:40.
Yeah, I think they're here.
Thank you. Ms. Madi?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I am well. I
That's
have
good.
not seen, Michelle, would you reset me to co-host? I'm not sure if
Oh, I'm
Mr.
sorry.
Sheik is
Yes.
here yet. It's okay. But ma'am, as soon as he arrives, we'll get you connected to the defendant.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. I don't know why it won't let me do it. It's not giving me that option.
Then leave it. I use
Well,
it so I
but
can
it
use in the
should.
breakout room.
Let me
I
do
know, but it's
it
fine.
will down here, but it won't let
Oh,
me
you
do
did it.
Okay.
Thank you.
It wasn't coming up at first.
Oh, he is here. He's in the MIDC waiting room.
Good morning, Mr. Lakin.
Good morning.
I can put you in the waiting room for the prosecutor, Mr. Mena.
Great. That's great. Thank you.
You're welcome. And Miss Madi, I spoke with the attorney who's going to represent him, and I told him as soon as he pulls them in his room, I'll put you in with them.
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome.
Ms. Madi, what is the language that you're interpreting?
Your Honor, it's going to be Arabic language.
Just air. Okay.
Correct.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
These are 2-4-WM-01481, A, B, and C. These are Wayne County Airport versus Travis Smith. May I have your appearances, please?
Good morning, Daniel Batar on behalf of Mr. Smith.
State your name for me, please, sir.
Travis Smith.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. Today is the day and time scheduled for the arraignment, pretrial, and pre-hearing in these matters. Mr. Batar, how are we proceeding?
Your Honor, the prosecution is going to dismiss the original charges. My client will plead guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive.
Thank you. Mr. Smith, raise your right hand for me, sir. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you give in this matter will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. You may put your hand down. Sir, you had the opportunity to discuss your case with Mr. Batar this morning, and you understand the charges you face and the possible penalties.
Yes.
And after having that conversation, sir, is it your understanding and agreement that you'll be pleading guilty to the added count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, and the rest of the original charges would be dismissed?
Yes.
And sir, you understand that if the court accepts your plea this morning, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
You will not have the opportunity to present witnesses on your own behalf or see and cross-examine witnesses put forth by the prosecutor.
Yes.
And sir, you're entering this plea freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
You haven't been threatened in any way or promised anything to get you to plead guilty?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are in fact guilty?
Yes.
Sir, is it true that on June the 15th, 2024, at Wayne County Airport, which is located in the city of Romulus, County of Wayne, state of Michigan, you allow someone to operate a motor vehicle who was not entitled to operate that motor vehicle?
Yes.
Satisfied, Mr. Batar?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Sir, the court accepts your plea of guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver, an unlawful driver to drive, and will dismiss the original driving while license suspended, careless driving, and failure to stop. Was there anything you wanted to say before fines and costs are imposed in this matter, Mr. Batar?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Smith, the court will impose the following: a fine of $200, cost of $100. There's $75 mandatory crime victims fee. There's $50 mandatory state costs. And there's $20 fund fee. Sir, that's $445. Do you need more than 5 days to pay that amount?
Yes.
Then, sir, I'm going to ask you to do one of three things in the next 5 days, okay? You need to go online to the court's website, mi34thdistrictcourt.com. There's a contact us button. If you click on that button, it will allow you to submit a request for a payment plan. You may come in person, speak to a member of the court staff and set a payment plan, or you can call and set a payment plan, but you must do something within those next 3 days, okay?
Okay.
Anything else, Mr. Batar?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Smith, you're free to go. Don't forget to call or come in person to make that payment plan.
Thank you so much, Judge.
You're so welcome, sir. You have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Mr. Patel.
Good morning, Ms. Medina.
Good morning, Your Honor. I hope you had a very nice weekend.
I sure did. Did you?
Yes, it was interesting to say the least, Your Honor. But it
I
was
hope
great.
interesting in a good way.
Interesting, it turned out to be all good. But thank you, Your Honor. I am here just for one individual case if I can't convince Mr. Bitar to help me out. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
We are ready, I believe.
This is 24WM013830M, Wayne County Airport versus Kenyatta Barbie. Have your appearances, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please court, James Bennett appearing on behalf of the airport, please.
Mark Lincoln for Miss Barbie. Your Honor, may I have 1 minute? She wants to go into the breakout room with me.
Yes, sir. We'll get you moved into the breakout room with her.
Thank you.
This is 24VB 01915OM Van Buren Township versus Jason Ambergy. May I have your appearances, please?
I'm here, ma'am.
Daniel
State your name
Batar on
for me,
behalf of
please,
Mr.
sir.
Ambergy, Your Honor. Sir, can you state your name for the record?
Jason Ambergy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Today is the end time scheduled for the arraignment and pretrial. Mr. Batar, how are we proceeding?
Your Honor, he's going to plead as charged.
Thank you. Mr. Ambergy, before we start your case, I want to disclose to you that I'm married to an elected official in Van Buren Township. I make that disclosure as Van Buren Township is the issuing agency. My husband's not involved in the day-to-day operations of the Public Safety Department. He doesn't know anything about this case. He doesn't even know that it's scheduled. Mr. Batar is aware of this. Sir, you've had the opportunity to speak to Mr. Batar, and you understand the charges you face and the possible penalties.
Yes, ma'am.
And sir, I'm sorry, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you give in this matter will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You may put your hand down. And sir, you understand that if the court accepts your plea of guilty as charged to the retail fraud, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, ma'am.
You will not have the opportunity to present witnesses on your own behalf or see and cross-examine witnesses put forth by the prosecutor.
Yes, ma'am.
And sir, you're entering this plea freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
You haven't been threatened in any way or promised anything to get you to plead guilty?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are in fact guilty?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Sir, is it true that on June the 26th, 2024, you went into the Myers located in Van Buren Township? You took
Yes, ma'am.
items off the shelf that were open to the public for sale, and you passed all points of payment without making payment for those items.
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Satisfied, Mr. Batar?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Satisfied, Ms. Manorino?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Ambergy, the court accepts your plea of guilty as charged to the retail fraud. Mr. Batar, anything before fines and costs are imposed in this matter?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Sir, the court will impose the following: a fine of $200, cost of $100, $75 mandatory crime victims fee, $50 mandatory state costs, and $20 fund fee. That's $445. Do you need more than 5 days to pay that amount?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Then, sir, I need you to do one of three things in the next 5 days. I need you to either come in person and set a payment plan, call the court, speak to the collections department, set a payment plan, or go onto the court's website, mi34thdistrictcourt.com, and set a payment plan. You can do it one of those 3 ways, but you must do that within the next 5 days. The township is also requesting that you be fingerprinted. I ask that you go to Van Buren Township Department of Public Safety within the next 30 days and have your fingerprints taken, okay?
Okay.
Anything
ma'am.
else, Ms. Manarino?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Anything else, Mr. Batar?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Ambergy, you're free to go. You have a good day. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a great day, guys.
This is a recall of 24WM 013830M, Wayne County Airport versus Kenyatta Barbie.
Mark
James
Lakin from.
Bennett.
Go ahead, Mr. Mena.
Sorry, James Bennett for the airport.
And
Give me
Mark
one
Lakin,
second,
please.
Mr. Lakin. You didn't,
Yeah.
your client's still in the breakout.
I've been
Oh.
trying. She's not coming out.
Come out of the breakout room.
Turn your video on and state your name for me, please, ma'am.
Kenyatta Barbie.
Thank you. Mr. Lakin, today was the day and time scheduled for the adjourned pretrial. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, she is going to take the offer that was on the table. She's going to be pleading to the charge under section 771.1, 90 days, and the case will be dismissed and she'll have the gun returned to her. That's our understanding of the plea bargain.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Mena. Ma'am, would you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you give in this matter will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. You may put your hand down. Ma'am, you had the opportunity to discuss this case with your attorney. You understand the charges you face and the possible penalties.
Yes.
And after having that conversation, is it your desire this morning to plead guilty as charged to the checkpoint violation?
Yes.
And ma'am, you understand that if the court accepts your plea this morning, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
You will not have the opportunity to present witnesses on your own behalf or see and cross-examine witnesses put forth by the prosecutor.
Yes.
And ma'am, you're entering this plea freely and voluntarily.
Yes.
You haven't been threatened in any way or promised anything to get you to plead guilty.
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are in fact guilty?
Yes.
Ma'am, is it true that on June 4th, 2024, at Wayne County Airport, which is located in the city of Romulus County, Wayne, state of Michigan, you committed a checkpoint violation by taking a firearm through security?
Yes.
Satisfied, Mr. Lakin?
I'm sorry, what was the question?
Are you satisfied, sir?
Okay. We're satisfied, yes.
Satisfied, Mr. Mena?
I am, Your Honor.
Ma'am, the court accepts your plea of guilty as charged to the checkpoint violation as indicated by your attorney. This sentence is taken pursuant to this plea is taken pursuant to 771.1, which it means it's delayed for a period of 3 months, so long as you incur no new criminal offenses in the state of Michigan for the next 90 days and pay costs of $900. The case will be administratively reviewed for dismissal, and you may contact the airport police department for return of the firearm. Do you need more than 5 days to pay the $900?
Yes.
Then ma'am, I need you to do one of these 3 things in the next 5 days. I need you to come into the court, speak to a member of the collection staff, and start a payment plan. You can call, speak to collections department, start a payment plan, or you can go onto the court's website, mi34thdistrictcourt.com. There's a contact us button. If you click on that button, it'll drop down and it'll allow you to submit a request for a payment plan that way. But you must do one of those 3 things within the next 5 days. No new criminal offenses for 90 days. The case will be administratively reviewed for dismissal at the end of that 90 days, so long as you paid that money and have no new criminal cases. Is there anything else, Mr. Mena?
No, Your Honor.
Anything else, Mr. Lakin?
No.
Thank you, ma'am. That concludes this matter. You're free to go. You have a good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. 20VB 04547OM, Van Buren Township versus Robert Anderson. Your appearances, please.
Daniel Batar on behalf of Mr. Anderson, Your Honor. Mr. Anderson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Robert Anderson.
Thank you. Today is the day and time scheduled for arraignment and pretrial in this matter. Mr. Anderson, your case had been in warrant status for your failure to appear in 2020. That warrant's been recalled. Mr. Batar, how are we proceeding?
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Anderson is going to plead guilty to the retail fraud. It will be 771.1 for 6 months.
Thank you. Mr. Anderson,
Yes, ma'am.
would you raise your right hand for me, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you give in this matter will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. May I put your hand down? Mr. Anderson, before I inquire of you, Mr. Batar is aware of the fact that I'm married to an elected official in Van Buren Township. I make that disclosure as Van Buren Township is the issuing agency in this case. My husband is not involved in the day-to-day operations of the Public Safety Department. He knows nothing about this case. He doesn't know that it's scheduled. Mr. Batar, are we good to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Anderson, you've had a chance to speak to Mr. Batar, and you understand the charges you face and the possible penalties.
Yes, Your Honor.
And after having that conversation, sir, it's your desire this morning to plead guilty as charged with retail fraud.
Yes, Your Honor.
And sir, you understand that if the court accepts your plea this morning, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, Your Honor.
You will not have the opportunity to present witnesses on your own behalf or see and cross-examine witnesses put forth by the prosecutor.
Yes, Your Honor.
And sir, you're entering this plea freely and voluntarily.
Yes, Your Honor.
You haven't been threatened in any way or promised anything to get you to plead guilty.
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are in fact guilty?
It's yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Anderson, is it true that on September 29, 2020 in Van Buren Township, you went into the Walmart while it was open to the public? You took items from the shelf that were marked for sale. You passed all points of payment without making payment for those items.
Yes, Your Honor.
Satisfied, Ms. Manorino?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Satisfied, Mr. Batar?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, the court accepts your plea of guilty as charged to the retail fraud as indicated by Mr. Batar. This plea is taken pursuant to MCL 771.1, which means it is delayed for a period. I'm sorry, Mr. Batar, was it 3 months or 6 months?
6 months, Your Honor.
For a period of 6 months, Mr. Anderson, which means as long as you can go 6 months without getting a new criminal case in the state of Michigan and you pay costs of $300, the case will be administratively reviewed for dismissal at the end of that 6 months. Do you need more than, the court's going to assess cost in this matter of $300. Do you need more than 5 days to pay the $300?
Yes, Your Honor. I just moved and I'm going to call the court as soon as we're done here and I'm going to try and get set up on a payment plan.
Thank you. And have you already given staff your new address?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, then, sir, as long as you call the court within the next 5 days, speak to the collections department, set a payment plan, then 6 months with no new criminal cases, we'll dismiss the case. Is there anything else, Mr. Batar?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Anderson, you're free to go. You have a good day.
You too. Mr. Batar, can I talk to you for 1 second? Or are you busy?
He's already gone back into another room, Mr. Anderson.
Okay. Y'all have a blessed day.
You too, sir. Thank you.
نعم لازلت معك
This
هنا.
is 24. Sorry, this is 24 WM 01485 OT, Wayne County Airport versus Ahmed Sheikh.
Daniel
Yes.
Batar on behalf of Mr. Sheik, Your Honor, and we do have an interpreter present.
Good morning, Your Honor. Gina Meti. I'll be your Arabic interpreter for Mr. Ahmed Sheikh.
Thank you. Ma'am, would you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you swear or affirm that you will translate English into Arabic and Arabic into English to the best of your ability?
I do.
Thank you. Mr. Batar, how are we proceeding?
سيد بتار شنو اللي نقدر نعمله؟
My client is going to plead responsible to double parking with a fine of $300.
بيقول على اساس موكل مالتي راح يعترف بانه وقف السياره توقيف مزدوج ويدفع $300 كغرامه.
نعم.
Yes.
Mr. Sheikh, you had the chance to discuss this case with Mr. Batar. You understand your rights this morning.
سيد شيك كان لك الفرصة الثانية حتى تتكلم مع السيد بتار المحامي بتاعك وعرفت حقوقك كلها؟
نعم نعم.
Yes.
And you wish to plead responsible to double parking with a dismissal of the misdemeanor.
وهمين تريد تعترف بأن أنت مسؤول على أساس وقفت توقيف مزدوج وحتى يلغون التهمة الأصلية؟
Yes. نعم.
Yes.
The court accepts your plea of responsible and assesses a fine of $300.
المحكمة راح تقبل اعترافك بأنك أنت مسؤول على التوقيف المزدوج وتدفع $300 كغرامة.
نعم نعم. Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Do you need more than 5 days to pay that amount?
تحتاج أكثر من 5 أيام حتى تدفع هذا المبلغ؟
لا لا thank you so much. سوف أدفعها في غضون 5 أيام.
No, thank you so much. I can make it within 5 days.
Thank you. Have a good day. You're free to go.
شكرا ونهارك
Thank you
سعيد.
so much. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you,
Bless you.
Honor. Have a pleasant day, everyone.
Bye. يا مرحبا.
Thank you, Ms. Mati.
You're
Thank
welcome,
you.
Your Honor. Pleasure.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
24WM 1603 A and B, Wayne County Airport versus Dawn Johnson. Your appearances, please.
Daniel Batar on behalf of Miss Dawn Johnson, Your Honor. Miss Johnson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Dawn Johnson.
Thank you. Mr. Batar, how are we proceeding with these arraignment and pretrials?
Your Honor, as to the arraignment, we'll waive a formal reading, stand mute. We're asking for a pretrial at a later date. Mr. Mena is going to send me the police report.
Ms. Johnson, the court will set your bond in these matters at 1,000 personal. You do not need to post any money, but what you must do is continue to appear as directed by the court until these cases are resolved in their entirety. We'll set the adjourned pretrial date as
I have August 1st at 8:50 a.m.
Thank you. Ms. Johnson, your cases are being adjourned over to August the 1st at 8:50 a.m. That's back here with me, Judge Martin, in courtroom number 1. Notice of that new date and time will be mailed to you at the address you verified with court staff. Anything else, Mr. Batar?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Thank you. Ms. Johnson, you're free to go. You have a great day.
All right, thank you.
Miss Johnson, I'll give you a
You're
call
welcome.
as soon as I get a copy of that report, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Judge,
Ma'am,
my last case was set at 9:15. Do you want me to stick around or can I take off?
you don't want to hang out with us this morning?
I mean, you know, I always have fun, Judge, but
If anything shows up, I'll have Michelle reach out to you, but thank you.
sounds good. Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
You too.
Thanks.
There's 24WM 01406OM Wayne County Airport versus Lazarus Crosby. This case was scheduled for pre-trial at 8:30 a.m. It's now 9:35 a.m. by this court's clock. Defendant has failed to appear. Matter will be set for show cause. WM 01461OT Wayne County Airport versus Desiree Ellis. This case was scheduled for arraignment pre-trial at 8:30 a.m. It's now 9:36 a.m. by this court's clock. Defendant has failed to appear. There are no unidentified persons in this court's main session. No one by that name in the court's breakout rooms. Based on the defendant's failure to appear, this case will be set for show cause. WM 01462OT Wayne County Airport versus Candace Miller. This case was scheduled for arraignment pretrial at 8:30 a.m. It's now 9:36 a.m. by this court's clock. Defendant having failed to appear, there being no one by that name in the court's breakout sessions or in the main sessions, no unidentified persons. This matter will be set for show cause. WM 01316OM Wayne County Airport versus Milta Turbides, Turbides. This case was scheduled for 8:30 a.m. for pretrial. It is now 9:37 a.m. by this court's clock. Defendant having failed to appear, there being no one by that name in this court's main session or in the breakout rooms, there being no unidentified persons. This matter will be set for show cause. These are 24WM 01540A and B, Wayne County Airport versus Janine Pruitt. These cases were scheduled for pre-hearing and arraignment pretrial at 8:40 a.m. It's now 9:38 a.m. by this court's clock. There being no one by that name in this court's main session or the breakout sessions, there being no unidentified persons, the A file civil infraction will be deemed in default. The B file misdemeanor will be set for show cause. 24WM 01570OT Wayne County Airport versus Anthony Prather. This case was scheduled at 8:50 a.m. for arraignment and pretrial. It's now 9:40 a.m. by this court's clock. There's no one by this name in the court's main session or any of the breakout rooms. There are no unidentified persons. Defendant having failed to appear, this matter will be set for show cause. 23WM 01388OM. This is Wayne County Airport versus Tamara Owens. This case was scheduled for arraignment pretrial at 8:50 a.m. It's now 9:41 a.m. by this court's clock. There being no one by that name in this court's main session or the breakout rooms. There being no unidentified persons in this court's session. Defendant having failed to appear, the case being in warrant status, it will stay that way. These are 24VB01913 A, B, and C. These are Van Buren Township versus Carly Sullivan. These cases were scheduled for arraignment pretrial and pre-hearing at 9 a.m. It's now 9:42 a.m. by this court's clock. Defendant having failed to appear, there being no unidentified persons in this court's main session or breakout rooms, no one by that name appearing. The A file misdemeanor will be set for show cause. The B and C file civil infractions will be deemed in default. These are 24VB01914 A and B. These are Van Buren Township versus Mohammed Farha. These cases were scheduled for pre-hearing and arraignment pretrial at 9:10 and 9:15 a.m. Defendant having failed to appear, there being no unidentified persons in this court's main session or any of the breakout rooms. The A file misdemeanor will be set for show cause. The B file civil infraction will be deemed in default. 24WM01600 A and B. These are Wayne County Airport versus Trey Peterson. Your appearances.
Daniel Batar on behalf of Mr. Peterson, Your Honor. Mr. Peterson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Trey Peterson.
Thank you, Mr. Bitar. Today is the day and time scheduled for arraignment and pretrial. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, as to the arraignment, we will waive a formal reading, stand mute, please. And we're asking for a pretrial at a later date.
Thank you. Mr. Peterson, the court will set your bond in both of these matters at 1,000 personal. You do not need to post any money, but what you must do is continue to appear as directed until this case is resolved in its entirety. Your adjourned pretrial date will be,
August 1st at 9 a.m.
thank you, August 1st at 9 a.m. Mr. Peterson, back on Zoom, back with me here in courtroom number 1. Staff will mail notice of that new date and time to you at the address you verified, okay?
All right.
Anything else, Mr. Bitar?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
You're free to go, Mr. Peterson. You have a good day.
All right. Thank you. You as well.
Mr. Peterson,
Thank
make
you.
sure you make that payment to that parking company and I'll call you before that court date, okay?
All right. Yep. Sounds good.
Thank you. Thought I had one more person left, Judge, but they seem to have disappeared.
You did. Did you speak to Mr. Myers?
I tried to have him join my room and I don't see him anymore.
Let's see if he pops back in.
Okay.
Mr. Batar,
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Milta Turbite from the 8:30 docket has just logged on. She's in the clerk's waiting room. You appeared with her back on July the 1st. So if she wants to continue representation with MIDC, we'll get her moved in with you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Ms. Owens, your case was scheduled at 8:50.
Good morning. I know she just called me. She said she sent me a letter out, and I was calling this morning to see what was the date, and so she told me to come in. I mean to log in.
Did you actually spoke to Miss Medina this morning?
Is that the attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
Okay.
she haven't called me. I had my last court date. She had forgot I think to tell you guys I had the surgery, but
She is not here. I don't know if she's coming back. Let me check with Michelle.
Yes.
Did Miss Medina give you any indication that she'd be returning?
She left, didn't say anything, but I'm thinking she might have talked to Mr. Batar.
Thank you. Ms. Owens, we'll get you connected to the attorney, the court-appointed attorney who was here this morning, okay?
yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mhm. Do I hang up?
No, stay there.
Okay.
Do you see that?
I do.
What do we think that is?
You already know what that is.
No, I don't. I haven't gone for 2 weeks.
I don't appreciate you and Heather leaving and not saying anything.
I'm already trying to plan my next one.
No, I don't authorize anymore.
It's one of the perks of working here 30 years.
Look, lady. I still like to know is I hate when it's dark down there. Good morning, Mr. Scott.
Good morning. Good morning, Judge.
How may I help you this morning, sir?
I was just going to join to follow an upcoming hearing.
You're observing court?
Yes,
Okay,
thank you very much.
you're very welcome.
I'm sorry, Judge. Sorry, downstairs calling me. He needs to go to the clerk.
Mr. Scott does.
I'm asking, yes. Does he need to go
He's
talk
an
to the?
observer.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yes, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. I didn't see the name, so I assumed as much. Thank you, Michelle. Good morning, Mr. Myers.
Hi, good morning. The same thing happened
Good.
as last week. I was in there and I say, hold up, let me I try to get my mom on a call and everything. I say, hold up, I ain't doing this again.
No, Mr. Batar was looking for you. We'll get you moved back to the waiting area for the court-appointed attorney.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Perkins.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm well. How are you, sir?
I'm doing well, doing okay.
Do you need to speak to Mr. Mena, the prosecutor from the airport?
Yes, I shot him an email this morning and a couple of last week, but yeah, if I could.
We'll get you moved into his room.
Good morning, Mr. Perkins.
Good morning. Good morning.
Mr. Meyer reconnected to Mr. Batar.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This is 23WM013160M Wayne County Airport versus Turbites. Your appearances.
Daniel Batar on behalf of Mr. Turbitis, Your Honor. Mr. Turbitis, can you state your name for the record, please?
Milta Turbitis.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ma'am, your case was scheduled an hour ago.
Yes, I apologize. I was at work and the phone was ringing off the hook.
Today, thank you, ma'am. Today was the day and time scheduled for pretrial. Mr. Batar, how are we proceeding?
Your Honor, my client is going to plead under 771.1 for a period of 3 months.
Ms. Turbitis? Raise
Yes,
your right
ma'am.
hand for me. What happened to your video, ma'am? Raise your right hand for me, please. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you give in this matter will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You may put your hand down. You've had the opportunity to speak to Mr. Batar, and you understand the charges you face and the possible penalties.
Yes, ma'am.
And it's your desire this morning to plead guilty as charged to defrauding an innkeeper.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you understand that if the court accepts your plea this morning, you will not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, ma'am.
You will not have the opportunity to present witnesses on your own behalf or see and cross-examine witnesses put forth by the prosecutor.
Yes, ma'am.
And ma'am, you're entering this plea freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
You haven't been threatened in any way or promised anything to get you to plead guilty?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are in fact guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, is it true that on July 21st, 2023, at Wayne County Airport, which is located in the city of Romulus, County of Wayne, state of Michigan, you defrauded an innkeeper by failing to make payment in the amount of $1,160 to standard parking?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, Mr. Batar?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ma'am, the court accepts your plea of guilty to defrauding an innkeeper as indicated by Mr. Batar. This plea is taken pursuant to 771.1. So long as you incur no new criminal offenses in the state of Michigan for the next 90 days. Mr. Batar, I see restitution request in the amount of $1,160. Is that correct, sir?
That is correct, Your Honor, and my client indicates she will be able to pay it within 3 months. The only thing we would ask for, Judge, is a little leniency on the fines and costs if possible because of that significant restitution amount.
Thank you. Ma'am, cost in the amount of $200.
Thank you.
$200 cost to the court, $1,160 in restitution to standard parking. Ma'am, please contact the court's collection department to establish a payment plan. Get these things paid off within the next 90 days. No new criminal offenses, and the case will be administratively reviewed for dismissal, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anything else, Mr. Batar?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Thank you. Ma'am, you're free to go. You have a good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you. You as well.
Thank you. Good morning, Dr. Odom.
Sorry, Judge, should I not have moved her?
That's okay. I just wanted, I didn't recognize that name.
Wait a little bit. I got.
You too, thank you. Two four WM 01363 Wayne County Airport versus Joshua Myers. May I have your appearances, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, James Mena appearing on behalf of the airport.
Daniel Batar on behalf of Mr. Myers, Your Honor.
Your name for me, sir?
Joshua Myers.
Thank you, Mr. Myers. Today is the day and time scheduled for the pretrial. Mr. Batar, how are we proceeding this morning?
Your Honor, Mr. Myers is going to plead responsible to double parking, stipulated fine of $400.
Mr. Myers, you had the opportunity to speak to Mr. Bitar this morning. You understand the charges you face and the possible penalties.
Yes, ma'am, I do.
And after having that conversation with Mr. Bitar, it's your agreement this morning to plead responsible to the added count of double parking and the original misdemeanor will be dismissed.
Yes, ma'am.
And that's how you wish to proceed.
Yes, ma'am.
The court accepts your plea of responsible to double parking, will assess the agreed upon $400 fine and dismiss the original charge. Do you need more than 5 days to pay the $400, sir?
If possible, yes, ma'am, I do.
Then, Mr. Myers, I need you to do one of three things within the next 5 days. You can call the court, speak to someone in the collections department. You may come in person and speak to somebody, or you can go onto the court's website, mi34thdistrictcourt.com. There's a contact us button. If you click on that button, it'll drop down and let you submit a request for a payment plan. But please do one of those three things sooner rather than later, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry, one more time. mi34district.com.
Districtcourt.com.
District Court. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. I
Anything
understand.
else, You're okay. Anything else, Mr. Mena?
No, Your Honor.
Anything else, Mr. Bitar?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Mr. Myers, thank you for being so persistent and getting logged back on, sir. You're free to go. You have a great day.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of the evening as well.
Thank you. One more, Mr. Bitar. Michelle, I'm stepping off for 1 second, but I'm not going far.
Okay. Mr. Perkins, it will be just 1 minute.
No worries. Would it be possible for myself, Mr. Mena, and the judge to have a breakout?
With Judge Martin?
Yes, please.
Sorry, my audio keeps breaking in my ear. Yeah, can you give me 1 minute?
Absolutely.
Mr. Mena,
Yeah, Michelle.
can you meet me in your room?
Sure.
I have a different case I gotta need to.
Okay. I'll meet
Thanks.
you in my breakout room.
Thanks.
Let's draw more attention to.
Do you want me? I don't have to bring you. I can just, you want to say here? Be.
Wow, man, my neck hurt. Baseball been getting the camera. And they told us that the camera.
Owens, Miss Owens, everyone can hear you. You should mute yourself until the case is
Oh,
called.
shoot. Mute myself. Oh. I have a question. Instead of going Zoom, can I come in?
Miss Owens, I'll move you to a different room so we can talk in private. Hang on.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Mr. Batur, are you ready with Miss Owens?
I am, Judge.
Thank you. This is 23WM013880M Wayne County Airport versus Tamara Owens. Your appearances, please.
James Mena appearing on behalf of the airport, Your Honor.
Daniel Batur on behalf of Tamara Owens, Your Honor. I'm standing in for Crystal Medina. Miss Medina was on earlier this morning, Your Honor, but Miss Owens showed up a little late.
Your name for me, please, ma'am.
Tamara Owens.
Thank you, Ms. Owens. This case had been in warrant status. Mr. Batar, the court is recalling the warrant. The case was scheduled for arraignment pretrial. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, we're asking for an additional pretrial. Miss Owens needs to speak with Miss Medina and prepare the case. And Miss Owens, I know you had a question about appearing in person. The next court date will be on Zoom, but if you do end up having a trial in this matter, it will be in person, okay?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Batar, are we adjourning in its entirety, or are you prepared to proceed with the arraignment this morning?
With the arraignment, Your Honor, we'll waive a formal reading and stand mute, please.
Thank you. Ms. Owens, the court will set your bond at $5,000 personal. You do not need to post any money, but what you must do is continue to appear as directed by this court until this case is resolved in its entirety. Your adjourned pretrial date will be
August 1st at 9:10.
August 1st at 9:10. That's back on Zoom with me, Judge Martin, here in courtroom number 1. Is there anything else, Mr. Mena?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Anything else, Mr. Batar?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Ms. Owens, you're free to go. You have a good day. I'll see you on August 1st.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. This is 23WM014160M Wayne County Airport versus Cynthia Miller. May I have your appearances, please?
For the record, Your Honor, James Mena appearing on behalf of the airport.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. May it please this honorable court. My name is Todd Russell Perkins, P55623, appearing on behalf of Ms. Miller. Waive any formal reading, standard mute, respectfully ask the court to enter not guilty plea.
Thank you. Mr. Perkins, your client's still in the breakout room.
Oh, I didn't know. Okay.
That's okay. We'll get her out.
All right.
Good morning. Your name for the record, please.
Cynthia Latoy Miller.
Thank you. Mr. Perkins has entered a not guilty plea on your behalf. Any comment as to bond, Mr. Perkins?
Your Honor, I'd ask the court to consider a recognizance bond in this matter. My client has been dutiful in following up with me and any and all concerns and questions, and intends to be active participant in this matter and any other matters and orders as so directed by the court. So I'd ask the court to consider a recognizance bond.
Thank you. Mr. Mena, does the airport take any position?
It does not, Your Honor, but we have no objection to recognizance.
Thank you. Bond is set at $5,000 personal. You do not need to post any money, but what you must do is continue to appear as directed by the court until this case is resolved in its entirety. For purposes of pretrial, Mr. Perkins, how are we proceeding?
Your Honor, we're asking for an adjournment of the pretrial. There are some other tangentially related matters that I don't have any closure on those, and we'd like to bring some closure on a global perspective. It's not necessarily Mr. Mena's backyard, so to speak, but I do intend to pursue that. If the court would grant us that opportunity, I believe we can bring some closure at the next appointed date by the court.
That adjourned pretrial date will be August the 1st, 2024 at
9 a.m.
9 a.m. That's back here with me, Judge Martin, on Zoom in courtroom number 1.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Perkins, anything else?
Oh, Your Honor, not that it's right now, and I don't know how long this case will be going on, but I'd ask for my client to be permitted to travel. I believe there's a pre-existing travel date in the month of September. I know it's beyond the next pretrial date, but I just wanted to be forward about that.
Mr. Mena?
We have no objections, Your Honor.
Thank you. Ms. Miller may travel on the pre-planned trip. Was there anything else, Mr. Perkins?
No, thank you, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Anything else, Mr. Mena?
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. That concludes this matter. I will see you back here on August 1st, 2024 at 9 a.m.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
welcome.
Mr.
Thank
Perkins,
you.
Yes.
can I meet you in a breakout room for 10 seconds? Just
absolutely.
about your address.
Yes. Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you. And Mr. Mena, I've done all of your failures to appear. That concludes this court's docket for the day.
Thank you, Your Honor. We'll see you on Thursday.
Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.
We'll see you, Dan.
Thank you, Mr. Bitar. 1 second. Okay. I'm sorry. I forgot. Yeah. I forgot.